So what I want to do is show you how to do a bulk edit in Canva really quick. You're going to go over to create a design, which I'm going to give you my design, but you can make your own if you don't like mine. I'm going to do name tag, and then I'm going to go into the designs and look for a design that I like. They have lots of different school name tags you can use for school. I'm going to see if I can find a camping. We're doing a camping theme, so I thought I'll do that. I need to go into the apps section of Canva and look for what's called bulk. I think you just type in bulk and it'll come up. It's bulk creation, and since I don't have a CSV file of my class, I'm going to enter data manually and it'll come up name and email. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep the name and email for this, just because even though I won't use the email, sometimes it doesn't help me connect data if I don't. So I'm just gonna leave these two names and I'll put my name, then I'm gonna click done, and you'll see over here where you've got your name and you've got your email that you can choose from to create the connection. So right here is where I want to connect the data. So I'm going to right click on the name and I'm going to go to connect data and put name, and it changes that, as you can see. And then down here this changes to continue. Click on continue and it shows me the names that I'm going to make and generate those 4 pages. It makes a copy of it and then it gives me the name tag. Now I have all 4 of my names. You're going to see here where this is a lot bigger than I would want. Make it a little bit smaller when I start so that it's going to fit all on one line like you want it to. So if it is a long name, the first name that you have, I'd make it a smaller print and you can go in and change it however you want. And then now you've got your tags, you can print them off and do whatever you want to with them. Hope this tip helps you.